Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Christy. In today's video, we are going to be making slow cooker dump pizza. That's right, we are making pizza in the slow cooker. I'm actually using my Instant Pot because the Instant Pot that I have has the slow cooker function, but you can use any type of slow cooker that you have. I myself have never made this, so come with me and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so here are the ingredients we need. For this recipe, there's not going to be a link down below. I'll just type out the recipe. I actually got this recipe from a friend of mine, so there's not anything, any specific recipe link. And also the points and calories I'm going to be sharing with you are based on just what I'm putting in it. So this is something that, as with any pizza, make it however you want. Normally I would bulk it up with a lot of vegetables, but this week I was trying not to do too much spending, so I'm very low on vegetables this week. So all I'm going to be putting in for toppings is just some turkey pepperoni. So for the way I'm making it, it's going to be 5 points for each serving. This is going to make 8 servings. And for calories, it's right around about 180 calories per serving. So this is what I'm putting in mine. I have 16 slices of turkey pepperoni that I've just chopped up. I have a 7.5 ounce can of buttermilk biscuits, 2 cups of part-skim mozzarella, and then a cup of marinara or spaghetti sauce, whatever you want to use, or pizza sauce. And then I'm also going to be just using some of this garlic on the biscuit. So we kind of like a garlic crust on ours. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm just going to put some garlic in this dish, and I'm going to try to get as much of the juice that I can, with still leaving some in the container. So now just take the biscuits and just break them apart into pieces. I'd say just break each piece into like 6 to 8 pieces. All right, after that's done, then I'm just gonna pour my garlic over it. And actually that's a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna just try to get the juice. And then just stir that up a little bit, just to kind of coat it. You do not have to do this part. We just really like garlic on things, so that's why I'm doing this. So now I'm moving over here, and I'm gonna take my air fryer basket out. And now I'm gonna give it a good spray with cooking spray. All right, I almost forgot my aluminum foil. So now I've got some aluminum foil that I've just folded into thirds. I'm just gonna put that down in there. We're gonna use that to kind of lift it out of there after. Kind of like when I do my meatloaf. When I do slow cooker meatloaf, I do that the same way. So I had already sprayed the pot, so now I need to spray again so I can get it on the aluminum foil. So now we're just gonna put the biscuits in there. Just spread them around the bottom. Next, we're going to put half of the cheese. And then the 1 cup of marinara. And you certainly could use more sauce if you like a lot of sauce. Can't see what I'm doing here. And then any of your toppings, so I'm gonna put my turkey pepperoni, but if you have a lot of vegetables, I wish I had a bunch of vegetables. I would load it up with like some mushrooms, some olives, maybe some green and red peppers. So any of your toppings, and then finally the rest of the cheese. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna hit my slow cook function, and I want this on high for 3 hours. All right, we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is done. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, it's fogging up. All right, let me get that pulled out of there. Ooh, lost a little bit in there, not too much though. It's not the prettiest looking thing, but I am anxious to see what it tastes like. It doesn't seem like the crust is real hard. Okay, so now this is going to be cut into 8. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it has a crunchy crust, which I expected that it would. So that's what it looks like up close. So now the taste test. That's pretty good. Caitlin, you want to try this? Slow cooker pizza? Yeah. All right, Caitlin's gonna try it. Do you want to say hi? No, you don't want to be on camera right now.
Hi. Not bad.
No, it's not bad. Okay, so aside from it not looking the prettiest, it's actually really good. So I'm anxious to try it next time with like a bunch of veggies all bulked up in there. But I'm pretty impressed. It tasted really good. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Christy and I'm planning us healthy. So I think bulking it up with a bunch of veggies would be really, really good. Well, so that's what it looks like.